What are you doing?
It's like a night in a jungle.
You want to pick some beans?
Yeah.
Come on. Hold one, hold one. Show it to me. Hold one, show it to me. Hold one. Not that one. The green beans, not the leaves. Right here, there's one over there. No, there's ants in there. The big one, right there. Just reach the big one. Just hold one. We'll do it like that. Okay. Lift it up. Here's Julian. Don't pull it. Okay. Let it go. Let it go. Okay. We go inside now because the meow's getting mad.